We are in Montana and it is the 11th of December, and we're supposed to get a really big storm. It's headed this way. I'm looking at it. Huge amount of moisture and very cold Arctic front coming that they would call the old blue norther. So it's definitely coming this way. We might end up with a few feet of snow and some really big drifts. This really nice shed is 90 feet long and 20 feet deep. The horses hang out in there. There's the old door that was on the house, the pioneer house that was on this ranch. We pulled it down and burned it, but I saved the old door. History or junk, one or the other.